Hello and welcome to another Do It All Yourself guy video. Today is going to be a quick tip about how to reset your maintenance light in a 2015 Toyota Sienna. Now, it is worth mentioning that this same approach for resetting this light applies to other Toyota models, not just the 2015 Toyota Sienna. It applies to all Toyota Siennas 2010 and beyond, as well as other Toyota models. So let's get going. So first of all, the maintenance required light is this yellow triangle with exclamation mark that shows up. This is a periodic light that will show up on your dashboard every 3,000 miles, and it is intended to remind you to change the oil in your engine. So many cases, you've done the oil change and you're ready to reset it, or in some cases, like in my case, I use full synthetic, so I don't replace the oil every 3,000 miles. I replace the oil every 5,000 to 6,000 miles, depending on the season. So let me show you how to reset this maintenance required light if it does show up for you. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you have selected your trip A. As you can see, the engine is currently on. My vehicle is on. Select trip A by pushing the odometer trip button right here. So I'm just going to cycle through. Here's odometer and trip A. So I'm going to leave it at trip A, and then I'm going to go ahead and turn off the vehicle. So with trip A selected, turn off your vehicle to the lock position. So in most Toyota models, there are different positions for the key. You have lock, you have ACC, on, and start. Lock is effectively when your vehicle is locked, as in the key is not there, the system is locked. ACC allows you to run your air conditioning. On allows all your electrical system to operate. So your lights, your fan, your air conditioner, etc. is all running without the engine. And start obviously starts the engine. So with the key in the lock position, we've selected trip A before we turn off the vehicle. Go ahead and turn on your vehicle key to the on position while pushing the auto trip button. Here we go. I got the auto trip button pushed. First click, second click. As you can see those dashes, they'll start blinking. And once the blinking goes away, you'll see the all zeros. And then that resets your maintenance required light. You can, at this point, go ahead and release the auto. And then I'm going to go ahead and turn on the vehicle to the on position so you can see that the maintenance required light is gone. Here we go. And at this point, the maintenance required light has been reset and will not come back again until 3,000 miles from this point. I am roughly at 92,464 miles. So at 95,464 miles or so, I should expect the maintenance required light to come back on. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.